Protecting and caring for Mother Earth is our fundamental responsibility. Today, it has taken the shape of climate action because this duty was ignored by many for a very long time. Based on India's traditional knowledge, I will emphasize that climate action must follow Antyodaya. That is, we must ensure the rise and development of the last person in the society. Countries of the global south are particularly impacted by climate change and environmental issues. We need enhanced action on commitments under the UN Climate Convention and the Paris Agreement. This will be crucial in helping the global south fulfill its development aspirations in a climate-friendly way. Friends, I am proud to say that India had led the way through its ambitious, nationally determined contributions. India achieved its installed electric capacity from non-fossil fuel sources 9 years ahead of the target of 2030. And we have set the bar even higher through our updated targets. Today, India is one of the top 5 countries in the world in terms of installed renewable energy capacity. We have also set a target of attaining net zero by 2070. We continue to collaborate with our partners through alliances including International Solar Alliance, CDRI, and the Leadership Group for Industry Transition.